Alright guys, welcome back to this channel again. Today I'll be showing you another way to generate 3D logos. Yes, I've done the first part. If you have not watched it, go to my YouTube channel, look for it and watch it. I promise you it's an interesting one. Today I'm going to show you another way you can do it using same tool but different method. Stay through to the end of this channel to get this secret of how those artists do it. This is something you can do, trust me. Now let's go. Off my camera so that's to avoid the distraction. So now if you go to your ChatGPT, now for example you saw a particular 3D logo that you want to design but you don't know how to do it. So simple, it's very easy and simple. All you need to do is take your phone, take a picture of it. Then when you come to ChatGPT, just click on, I hope you're following what I'm doing. Hope you're following what I'm doing. Just click on these points. If you can see it, click on there, on that point. Then you click on it, then you add photo. When you add your photo, you look for, okay, let's look for one. Let's look for a design. Let's say for instance, let me look for one. A 3D, okay, let's say this. Now you upload it to ChatGPT. Now after you have uploaded it, now you give it a prompt. Tell your ChatGPT, write a prompt on how this 3D logo was designed. Simple. Then click on go and wait for it to give you the prompt. Now this is the prompt. Now already good. Now this is the prompt. Now it's time for you to generate your own prompt to design your own 3D logo. So all you need to do is tell ChatGPT to write a prompt to generate similar but unique logo, unique 3D logo for my business. Full stop. Then already now you now tell ChatGPT the line of your business. If you're into fashion, if you're into car, if you're into whatever business, so you tell ChatGPT to do the design. So you now tell ChatGPT, let's assume we deal on tires, for example. Then you give ChatGPT your business name so that it will work with it. So now just stay and watch what I will do now. Next. So all you need to do is I sell new tires or car tires. No, new mobile tires. Are you getting me? So then even if this is okay, even if this is what you say is okay, but there is how you can tweak it to give it a unique feature. Now let's assume you're a newbie, you don't know what to do. You know, in logos you have your slogans, you have your sign and what have you, but if you don't know, it's fine. So tell it to generate a unique logo that matches my business and communicates to my customers. I think this is okay. So we now hit enter. Now and wait patiently. Good, done. Now after just go to Meta AI. If you have not watched my first video, go there and watch it. Go to Meta AI, meta.ai. Click enter. Wait for it. If you click on Meta AI, you sign up. If you have not, if you don't have account, or if you have account already, you just log in. Now you go to ChatGPT, you copy this prompt, you read it. I'm not reading it because I don't want this video to be lengthy, but in your own case, always read it. Filter it, leave what you want, and add what is not there that you need. This is designed in bold and modern 3D logo mock-up for premium automobile tire business. The central icon should be a circular tire shaped in realistic thread pattern, style, and blah 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 blah. So you copy it, you copy it up to this prompt. It's got to add name, so I'll come back here. It's not too late. You can adjust anything you want to adjust at any time. So you can say my business name is Ken Automobile Tires. Now we generate the prompt in a way that Meta AI will understand it. And wait for it. Okay, and this is it. It's done. So you just copy it as usual. Copy it. Now go to this place and paste it. Like I said, okay, you can come to home first, then paste it. Go to image. It's already on 1:1, 1:1. Then you click and wait for it to generate. Hold on. Good. You can see what we have. Very, very beautiful logo. Very simple and easy to do. Look at this one. Very, very, very appealing. 3D. You get? Okay. Look at this one. Wow, this is marvelous. In fact, I'm going to download this. This is it. You can download this one. Look at it. It's going to give you exactly what you want. Now, I'm still making a video on how to remove this watermark here. So, if you have stayed through to this point, please subscribe and share this video so that those who need it also get this video. Thank you for staying through. Stay with me. I'll bring you many educative and informative videos like this. Thank you, and thank you.